Miss Vivian Andrus.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Vivian Andrus, and I am honored to be named to the Eunice High Hall of Fame. As I reflect back on the 4 years I've had here at Eunice High, I think about the countless memories I have made in these classrooms, hallways, the football and baseball field, and this stage where so many cheer practices were held. Although my time here is coming to an end, I'm glad I can look back and say I'm leaving with no regrets. My grandpa, Roger Pettigo, graduated from Eunice High in 1969, and at that time he had no idea the legacy he would ultimately leave. It was hard to go a week without someone telling me that they just saw my grandpa in the hallway, or randomly passing him and always seeing him talking to someone. My family never missed an event here at E.H.S, even if that meant cutting our Good Friday family gathering short this year because baseball had a playoff game. Being born into a family that was so involved, I knew I had to do the same because I didn't have a choice. I knew I had to join every single club because at least one of my siblings was in one of them. I had to take all honors classes, and I had to do something during the spring.